Look at this. As I move my hand closer, the distance updates instantly on the OLED display. And as I move it away, the value changes in real time. This is not a normal ultrasonic sensor. This is the AO2 YYUW waterproof ultrasonic sensor. And today I will show you how to interface it with SSD1306 OLED display using Arduino. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project. Arduino Uno, AO2 YYUW waterproof ultrasonic sensor, SSD1306 OLED display, breadboard, and jumper wires. Let's take a close look at the star of this project, the AO2 YYUW waterproof ultrasonic sensor. Unlike regular ultrasonic sensor, this one is fully waterproof, which means it can work perfectly in wet or humid conditions, perfect for outdoor or industrial projects. It measures distance by sending out high-frequency sound waves and calculating the time it takes for the echo to return. This allows it to detect objects accurately from a few centimeters up to several meters. Another cool feature is its fast response time. The reading updates almost instantly, which make it ideal for real-time application like obstacle detection, hand-free control, or even smart water level monitoring. And because it's compact and lightweight, you can easily integrate it into your Arduino project without taking up much space. Connect the VCC wire of the AO2 YYUW to 3.3 volt on the Arduino. Ground pin to ground, TX pin to D10 and RX pin to D11. Connect the VCC pin of the SS1306 OLED display with 5 volt of the Arduino Uno. Ground pin to ground pin. Connect SDA pin to A4 and SCL pin to A5 of the Arduino Uno. Upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Here is the AO2 YYUW ultrasonic sensor. Connect to Arduino. And the distance reading are shown live on the SSD1306 OLED display. Watch closely as I move my hand closer, the number decreases, and as I move it away, the reading increases instantly. This happens because the sensor sends high-frequency sound waves, and the Arduino calculates the distance based on the echo time. The OLED screen updates in real time, giving immediate feedback. You can even place objects in front of the sensor. It will detect them accurately, making this setup perfect for obstacle detection, hand-free control, robotics, or water level monitoring. The best part, this sensor is waterproof and durable, so it works in almost any environment, and setting it up super simple, which make it ideal for beginners. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Arduino and IoT tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.